What do you think your reason for wanting to be up here is? Why do you want to be here talking with us?
You remember how Jerry used to say you want to throw the ball?
You want your basket to be out there far enough that when you hit it, good for me, but not so far that you don't believe you can't hit it. That's that balance between desire and belief, isn't it? That's what that story was about. So
if I don't feel like it's too far, but
then it isn't.
Then why did it only take I had 2 desires that I wrote down, large amounts of money, and they manifested. An avenue for them to manifest came in about 2 weeks. So I did that twice, and this third time around I wrote a bigger number. I didn't do the millions because that was too far, but I did something in the middle, and I haven't seen it yet, or an avenue for it to come.
We're just waiting for it to come. Is there another chair? There's only 25 minutes left in this seminar. Oh, you want it to come like right now? Do you want it to come, or do you want an impulse to come that feels exciting? Do you want an idea to come that is satisfying? Do you want the desire to get bigger? There's a whole lot that is coming, but because you're fixated on it coming just in that specific way, that specific amount of money showing up, boom, right here and now, then you might be missing all of the things as these thoughts are turning to things.
That's what I was thinking.
Don't you like the feeling of inspiration? Esther was so excited the day that the pool school guy thought that she had a broken sprinkler, because he pointed out something to her that caused her to call somebody, that caused her to call somebody, that got to the bottom of something. And there wasn't even a broken sprinkler. But that led to that, led to that, led to that, and it was all so fun. It was all so fun. It was like, oh, the universe knows what the path of least resistance is. The universe knows just how to get the guys, the 2 best guys of that whole company. There are hundreds of them that work that city. The 2 best guys were in Esther's neighborhood in the moment that the pool guy was inspired to think that there was a leak when there wasn't one. Well, don't you think that was way more fun for Esther to have that experience than any other way it could have unfolded? Don't you like to get your hands in the clay of all of this?
I do.
Yeah.
And I've experienced it.
Yeah.
And it's
so
amazing.
Just don't take score too soon, and don't take score of the manifestation. Be aware of the energetic unfolding and revel in the power of the energetic unfolding. We know you know this, but we're going to say it in a way that's really going to hurt your feelings. No, wait. We know you know this, but we really want you to consider this in a really strong way. You are not ever going to get it done. There is always going to be something else you're asking for that you don't know how it's going to come, when it's going to come, where it's going to come from, who's going to bring it. There's always going to be all of those potentials for adventure and surprise and delight out there for you. That's just the way you planned it. Not one of you said, I'll go forth, but line it all up because I don't want any suspense in my life. And I don't want to ever have to do any personal vibrational work. And I don't want to ever have to pay attention to my guidance system. I don't want to mold the clay. I just want to ask for it, and I want somebody to deliver it right now, because I want to be all powerful in this creative universe. None of you said that. What you said is, ooh, I'll mix it up, and desires will be born within me, and some of them will feel strong, and I'll be able to tell when I'm on point with them. And when my inner being and I are in sync about something that I want, I'm going to have a wonderful ride on my way to the unfolding of that. And then you said this too. You said it, and we promised that we would tell it to you. You said, don't let anything come to me instantly, because I want to enjoy the journey.
That's exactly what I desire, is to enjoy the journey.
Then stop complaining about the journey. You're doing really well. She represents every one of you in this room.